Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the GTPLAYER Gaming Chair. This is an office chair. A chair for gamers with LED light. Whoa, that's a big bar of possibilities. It's a backrest with a storage bag and an ergonomic PC chair with a remote control. Wow. It looks really, really beautiful, as you can see. This gaming chair with the individual adjustable RGB LED lighting gives our gaming chair a unique ambience. A perfect atmosphere for our setup. Impressive friends with stylish LED design. But also it comes with an ultimate comfort, because the ergonomic gaming chair with adjustable headrest and a lumbar cushion relieves neck pain. 8 centimeter thick seat padding with a memory foam for hours of comfort and hours of gaming. It is ideal for gaming and office. High quality stability with the 1.8mm metal frame and a 5-point steel base make this gaming chair extremely durable. That's loadable up to 150 kilograms. Perfect for intense gaming sessions. And it's fully adjustable. The backrest is from 90 to 134 degrees adjustable. Extendable footrest and a 360-degree swivel function. Whether the PC chair or a dressing table chair, the maximum adaptation for every situation is possible. And easy 15 minutes assembly. Easy peasy, fast and reliable. LED RGB gaming chair. We feel the mood, we control the light. Experience stunning RGB lighting effects with the customizable modes that adapts to our needs, whether we are playing, working, or relaxing, all with effortless control. Easy control. Pair this device while it is connected to a USB-A source with the smartphone, with the app, and then you have a full control via Bluetooth. App and IR remote control is possible. That means we have a dual mode. Of course, the app can make a lot of stuff to adjust, but the remote control is big of settings too. We have an RGB LED illumination, USB power supply, easy peasy, a nice dynamic mode control, flashing speed control, brightness control, 35 lighting modes, and of course, we adjust and forget. We program the duration of our chair through the app. The lights turn off automatically when the time is up, and a memory effect gives us the same settings next time. Work, relax, adjustable headrest, lumbar support, composite armrest, extendable footrest, all in one nice chair. Premium accessories guarantees quality and comfort with an SGS certified gas spring, quiet multifunctional rollers, ergonomic composite armrest, and a practical storage net. Oh yeah. This all brings us this cool stuff here. This really cool GTPLAYER Gaming Chair. This is a gaming chair with an LED light bar. It comes to us with a lot of joy, with a lot of fun, and a good quality too. It looks really nice. You can adjust it in the height, you can adjust it with the RGB light, you can adjust it as you need it. And then you can have fun with that. Then you can be productive in the office with this GTPLAYER office chair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!